Big Day of Giving is so much fun.
A big day is grueling.
There's so much camaraderie with the other nonprofits. We all just want each other to do so well.
We want to obliterate the other nonprofits.
916 Inc. couldn't be more proud of the life-changing work we do with youth to transform them into published authors. But every year, with Big Day, there's more and more pressure. You have to do something to stand out.
I mean, we're seeing an explosion towards animal-related giving. It's even in the name, Big Dog. It's unfair subliminal advertising. But we have a plan.
So, we think it's time for a mission pivot.
Yeah, good job, Bevo. These are your thoughts and feelings. If Mitzi and Socks the Cat can get published, then so can you.
Good job, Melvin. Your words and creativity are going to be published in a book.
You know, our board is really invested in helping kids find their voice. Oh, and puppies find their voice too.
People making their giving plans need to ask themselves, sure, I can give money to an organization that protects animals, but who's going to give that dog his bark back? Every voice deserves to be heard. We think we're onto something here.
So what are you thinking?
I'm feeling really good. This is the right strategy. We're going to hit those numbers.
That's great.
That's so great, man. Guys, I just got the numbers. I got the numbers. So we got the puppy money. We're losing to land trusts.
Oh.
Come on, it's just dirt.
The Big Day of Giving really brings out the best in all of us.
This big day of giving, we're going to raise $1 million.
I'm not saying it's a message to Front Street, but I'm not saying it's not.
Big Day of Giving is so much fun.
Okay, too much and too cheesy.
Yeah. Also, I can't.
There's a mid-range in here.
Right there.
There's a mid-range.
You gotta stay in the camera.
People making their big... Sure, I can give... there it goes.
You guys donate at least $15,000.
Bullshit.
Oh, I'm sorry.